In the question above, we have to determine the relative molecular mass of the gas at s.t.p. First thing to do is to convert G.M.V, which is in dm cube, to centimeter cube. So doing that, we'll say G.M.V equals 22.40 dm cube, and this is also equivalent to 22,400 centimeter cube. So we've converted that to the centimeter cube. 1.58 grams of the gas will occupy 500 centimeter cube. Then S grams, which is the relative molecular mass of the gas now, at s.t.p will occupy 22,400 centimeter cube. So here x equals, making x the subject, 1 equals multiply 1.58 multiplied by 22400 divided by 500. In calculating this, we have 70.78. The unit in grams, approximately, because it's a relative molecular mass, this is approximated to 71. That will be all. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the relative molecular mass of the gas to be 71 grams. Do well to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.